Verifying your bank account on Goodbudget is an essential step to manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Goodbudget app. Launch the Goodbudget app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your budget and settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Go to the Settings menu by tapping on the gear icon or your profile picture. Look for the option labeled Accounts or Bank Accounts to proceed. Step 3. Add your bank account. Select the option to add a new bank account. Enter the necessary details, including your bank name, account number, and any other required information. Step 4. Initiate verification process. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm test deposits. Check your bank account for the test deposits. Once you see them, return to the Goodbudget app and enter the amounts to verify your account successfully. After completing these steps, your bank account will be verified, allowing you to manage your finances more efficiently on Goodbudget.